Alright, so I'm gonna grab the next outfit. So I'm gonna do these black pants next. Just gonna do a little black and white. So let's see how I pull it together.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know.
Okay, so this is the second outfit, guys. I'm telling you, these pants fit like a glove. I'm not sure if you can see the actual design of the pants, but it's almost like a snake skin. Got a sheen to it, but it feels really good. These pants are also a size small, and no problem. I have no problem putting them on. They fit really, really good. These are really, really comfortable. Yeah, I love it. I popped it with this crisp white silk blouse and just a little studded purse. And I just put a little razzle dazzle, a little belt for razzle dazzle, and my studded boots. And there we have it. That's outfit number 2. What do you think? You like? Don't forget, you'll find these in my TikTok shop. Alright, we're going to get to the next one.